Hey there. Today you can come with me. I'm going to bake a lot. I decided I'm going to bake a bunch of healthy options for Kara. She's pretty much become nocturnal. She's a teenager. She's an introverted teenager. The middle of the night is just when her brain comes alive and when she's happiest. Sometimes it's annoying and I'll have her switch her schedule as much as she can to be like a normal person. And then I realize we're homeschoolers, we're not normal. And so why don't we go with the flow for what your body needs? So every once in a while we'll go back to like a normal schedule, but most of the time she's up until almost sunrise. And then she goes to sleep until after lunch. She likes to do her school by herself at night. It gets done. She learns well. She's focused. When I force her to wake up, she's not focused. She can't learn. She's just going through the motions. So we'll do this for a season until we're done doing it. It's not a big deal. Anyway, the reason I need to bake is because her meals are not the same as our meals. So she's waking up and eating breakfast when I've about finished lunch. And she'll eat dinner with us, which is her lunch, and then she needs at least another meal before she goes to sleep. So I wanted to have these healthy alternatives around for her. She has things that she can make as meals, things with chicken and all that. So this whole thing started out with me cleaning out the pantry and cleaning out my fridge and cleaning out my freezer, and it turned into me finding really good recipes that I want to try. Some of these I've already used and loved, and some of these I'm going to try today, so you can come with me. All right, so I have my little list here so I don't forget what I'm going to tell you. So we're going to do peanut butter energy bites. All right, chocolate zucchini muffins, which basically is like chocolate chip, chocolate cake. But I put zucchini in it, so she's getting some vegetables too. Try oatmeal, apple, banana muffins. So we'll see how much energy I have. Quick side note, I should have a lot of energy because my elbow is still bothering. I mentioned in the smoothie video that I fell and hurt my elbow. And so 4 weeks later, it's really not better. So I went to the doctor and she put me on steroids. So I should have a lot of energy to do a lot of things. So let's do this.
to go. Oh, these steroids have me a little sweaty. That's okay. I think I'll do the dishes. I think I'll take a break and have some lunch and come back with the next 2 recipes. I made 100 mini muffins. We're gonna call them brownie bites. They're full of zucchini and apples and yogurt and eggs. And I made the peanut butter balls, which are in the fridge. Flaxseed, oatmeal, peanut butter, good stuff. There's honey in there too. Shh, Kara doesn't think she likes honey, but she loves these. So I'll see you in a few.
Kara woke up and came out of her room just as I was about to make the 4th thing, which is the pancakes, just to say that she didn't want any pancakes. She said that she doesn't really like them all that much and I don't need to bother wasting my time making them, so I didn't. Oh, those mini muffins. Is it just me, or is cleaning mini muffin tins the total worst? Anyway, I love her very much and I have delicious things ready for her. And I'm tired because I did 3 loads of laundry too, and all the dishes that go along with baking. I hope you had a great day. I know I did. See you next time.